In this video, we will show you how to lock cells in Google Sheets. To lock cells in Google Sheets, it's very easy. For example, in here we have some data and we want data D and E cannot edit by anyone. Just me or just person who in Fit can only edit this cell. So block your cell to lock the cell you want, and right click and choose View More Cell Actions and select Protect Range. In the Google Sheets, there is two options. We can just create warnings, or we can lock the cell so it can be editable. Okay, this is my lock. For example, just create your description and set permission. Okay, you can see there is two options. You can just create a warning or just the restrict who can edit this range. Okay, this is only me or only you can edit. You can also select custom, and for custom you can add editor, type the email address, but this is only me can edit the cell. Just click done after that, and if you see, this is your log has been created. And when you share the sheet, for example, let's click the share button and select anyone with the link, and this is not viewer. We need all people with this link can edit, so just click editor and copy link and click done. Let's try to open to another browser. You can see here, this is our cell, and if we try to edit the data D and E, it can be edited. So only cell we don't protect can edit like this. But when we try to edit data D and E that have been protected, it cannot be changed like this. That's tutorial how to lock cells in Google Sheets. Hope this video helpful for you.